Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the EWEADN Typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard aims to blend vintage aesthetics with modern gaming functionality, and it certainly makes a statement right out of the box. The first thing you'll notice is the retro typewriter design. The round keycaps give it that classic look reminiscent of old-school typewriters. EWEADN has given the keycaps a matte texture, which enhances the touch feel. The model we have here features pink switches, which provide a smooth, linear feel. They're quiet when pressed lightly, making for a comfortable typing experience without the loud clicks you might expect from a mechanical keyboard. This keyboard isn't just about looks, it's packed with features. There's a multimedia knob for controlling volume and backlight, which is a nice touch. The keyboard offers 19 different lighting effects, and you can cycle through game backlight modes using the FN+18 keys. The brightness and speed of the backlight are also adjustable, allowing you to customize the look to your preference. Dedicated buttons for previous song, next song, and pause are conveniently located next to the volume knob. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows, Linux, and Mac OS systems. Switching between systems is as simple as pressing and holding FN and Tab. The keyboard connects via a Type-C cable, ensuring a stable connection and low latency, which is crucial for gaming. The build quality is solid. The panel is made of aluminum alloy, giving it a premium feel and protecting it from scratches. The electroplated punk keycaps add to the overall aesthetic, and the monochromatic light enhances the keyboard's visual appeal. The EWEADN keyboard features 104 keys with anti-ghosting technology. This ensures that every key press is registered accurately, even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. This is essential for both fast-paced typing and intense gaming sessions, preventing key conflicts and errors. Overall, the EWEADN Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard is a unique blend of retro design and modern functionality. It's a great option for those who want a keyboard that stands out from the crowd, while still delivering a solid gaming and typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.